Hey, it's Sunday night. It's time for dinner. It's time to make a really good hearty dinner. Let's make this. Welcome back. I'm Dave, and this is Vet Cooks. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Well, it's Sunday night, like I said, and we're going to do something quick, easy, and very tasty. We're going to do some skillet pork chops. That's right. No applesauce, just pork chops. And it's going to take some pork chops, obviously, some cracked pepper, some potatoes, some onions, some carrots, and some butter, and some cream of mushroom soup. We're going to put that all together, and it's going to be delicious. So let's break down the ingredients again. Let's get started. Alrighty, so there it is. Everything we need, real simple. Some pork chops. 4 of them we're using 4 pork chops. A medium onion. All I had was a large, so I'm using half of an onion. And wedged. 3 medium-sized red potatoes, and we are wedging those as well. And some carrots also, we're wedging those as well. 1 tablespoon of butter, half a cup of water, and 1 can of cream of mushroom sauce. That'll do it. That'll be all good. And then to top it off, we're going to do the cracked pepper, because Jimmy cracks pepper and I don't care. No, he cracks corn and I don't care. Either way, we're going to go ahead and get this started. Let's go ahead and fire this. Let's get on the skillet. Let's get things started. Let's get busy. Alrighty. So on the skillet, we're going to set it to a medium high, and we're going to melt the 1 tablespoon of butter. Once it's melted, then we're going to put in the chops, and we're just going to brown them. We're just going to brown them. We're not going to do anything else with them. So then we'll take them off, and then we start adding everything else. We're going to keep the drippings. We're going to keep the remains. We're going to cook with that. That's going to add flavor to everything else that we add in here. Alrighty. Alright, it's almost melted. Let's get our chops in here. And it was not ready. Alright, so we'll let these brown on both sides, and then we'll take them off, put them off to the side, and we'll be right back with the rest of this.
You okay?
It does that. Alright, so you saw we've already flipped it once. Now we're going to go ahead and take them off and plate them. Not for serving. Oh, look at all those drippings. Alright, so leave these off to the side here. So we'll be back for them in a minute. Now we put in the veggies. All the veggies go in. That's a lot of vegetables. That's a lot of vegetables, and that's what the thing called for. That's what the recipe called for. So, I mean, I don't know what's next. Julienne? It didn't say the julienne. It said the wedge them. So. Alrighty, so there it is. There is the cream of mushroom soup in the water. Alright, so it quickly went to a boil because it was super hot for some reason or another, but hey, that's alright. Now we're going to bring it down, let it simmer, we're going to cover it 15-20 minutes, and we'll be back. Alrighty, so there it is, sat there about 20 minutes. I did occasionally stir it, just to make sure nothing stuck to the bottom. There it is. Alrighty, now for an additional 10 minutes, we're going to put the pork back in here, and we're going to, at about the 10-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and insert a thermometer into the meat just to make sure that it's 145, and we're done. After that, if it is at 145, then what we're going to do is take it off the heat, let it rest for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to plate. So let's get the meat in here. There we go. Let's get these carrots down where they belong. Alrighty, so about another 10 minutes and we'll be back. I will flip them here in about 5 minutes. So then again, the recipe doesn't call for that, but I just want that gravy to get in all over the place. Alright, so while that's cooking, we're going to just take a moment here again to thank everybody for stopping by, for liking, watching, subscribing, commenting, sharing, here on the YouTube, there on the Facebook, there over there on the Instagram, everywhere, here, there, everywhere. Again, thank you very much. You're much appreciated. And again, don't hesitate to reach out. If you've got an idea, by all means. And for those of you that have reached out, I want to reassure you, we're getting to your recipe real soon. Righty, now again, as always, I want to take a moment for the veterans. From one veteran to another, get the Veterans Crisis Line. Make the call. Make the call. It's there for a reason. It's there for you. It's for everyone. But when you press that 1, it goes to the Veterans Crisis Line. And again, these individuals are trained. They know what to do. They know what to say. And if they cannot address your issue, they can put you in touch with those that can take care of it. So by all means, please do not hesitate. Reach out, get with them, get to know them, talk to them. Again, keep it on that level. But still, you're going to have to peel back a layer, tell them what's going on, tell them where you're at, tell them the dark places there, tell them again. And, you don't have to just call once. You can call back again. It's okay. That's what I'm getting at. It's for you. It's for everyone. But veterans, you get to press the number 1, Veterans Crisis Line. Of course, on the website, you can chat with them there. And you can text with them as well. All that information is on the links below in the show notes. And again, they're on the screen there for you. So again, don't hesitate to make the call. Make the call, please. It's there for you. Alrighty, listen. It's getting there. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's start wrapping this up. Let's wrap this up. All right, it's off the stove. Let's take a quick look at it. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. There is the pork chops. There they are. They came up to temperature. Look at all the potatoes, all the carrots, all the onions. That's going to be delicious. That's going to be delicious. So I guess it's time to plate it up, do a little tasty taste. Let's wrap this show up, and I'm getting hungry for Sunday night dinner. All right, well, there it is. That's it. That's our skillet chops and veggies on the side. Looks delicious, ready to tear into it. Again, real simple, just some pork chops, some carrots, some potatoes, some onions, some cream and mushroom soup, a little bit of water, and of course, it's up to you, parsley or ground some pepper. All right, let's do the tasty taste. There it is. There's that pork chop. Nice, pretty thick, nice. Oh, and that gravy's delicious. Very tender, very moist, very delicious, folks. Again, real simple to make. Took about 30-40 minutes, just again depending on your time on your stove or your stove top. All right, well, that's delicious. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, making the comments, and sharing. And of course, veterans, you know the deal. Make the call. Everybody, thank you again. I'm Dave Guerra, and This Vet Cooks.